Project footstep based power generation system. Firstly, we'll discuss what are the parts that are there here. Firstly, the RPS section, the related power supply section, the LCD section, the controller, the crystal oscillator, and this part is called the LDR, light dependent resistor. This is the LED section to see the output, and then this is the charge control unit. This is the battery. This is the setup that is used to generate power based on the footstep. Now let's discuss every part in detail. First is the RPS section, the regulated power supply section. When you plug in the power cable into the socket, the 230 volts AC is stepped down to 12 volts AC using this particular step down transformer. The 12 volts AC is connected to 12 volts DC, pulsating DC with using this bridge rectifier, and this capacitor converts that particular pulsating DC to smooth DC. This regulator, 7805 regulator, converts that 12 volts DC to 5 volts DC, and the output will be getting the 5 volts DC. And then this particular section is the LCD to see the amount of voltage that is generated, and this is the LED section, and then this is the charge control unit. And now let's discuss how it works. This particular setup works on rack and pinion mechanism. When you actually push this rack, the vertical motion is connected to the circular motion using this particular pinion. You can see that when you push the rack, this particular main wheel is rotating, and that particular motion is given to the DC generator, and this generates a voltage. This voltage is given to the charge control unit, and then this particular you can see the wires here, the brown and the black. Brown color one is given to the positive of the battery, and black color one is given to the negative of the battery. So using this, the battery will be charged, and then you can see the LDR here. When the intensity of light, that is, you can see the title of the project on the LCD, footstep power based generation. When you push the rack, you can see the voltage that is generated, 18, 11, 36. Okay, and then here the intensity of light is less, so you can see the LED is glowing. Now when you increase the intensity of light on the LDR, the LEDs will be off. And then thank you.